going nutty. So we're going to wait. Because right now, trading right now makes no sense at all. It makes no sense at all because, I mean, candles are haphazardly moving and just insane. So we got to wait. Looking at the 4 hour, let's take a look at the 4 hour. Let's zoom out here a little bit. Looks like 4 hour, if it drops, it can drop further down. So we have to wait. Okay, this is the new 4 hour candle started. We have the 1 hour candle that is bearish. We have the 30-minute candle that is also bearish. But the good thing is the 30-minute candle, it closed below this area, right? It closed below this area right over here. So there's a high chance for the 30-minute candle to continue moving down. But our stop has to be above the high of the previous 30-minute candle, right? So I want my stop to be around 10, 12 pips. So if I measure, maybe I want to enter somewhere around 145, 170. You know, that's where maybe I want to enter. 145, 170. So we're going to wait to see if price comes up there, because if price comes up there, then we can have a stop loss, a safe stop, and then GJ can go on its merry way going down. Come up some more. Oh, there we go. Came up. It's coming up. So now, this is the trick right now, right? The trick is that since the bias is bearish based on this 30-minute candle closing below 145.200, now we're not looking at the wicks. We're not looking at the wicks. We're looking at where price is closing, right? So this big black candle closed below 145.200. This candle closed below 145.200. What are the chances of this candle respecting the high and closing below 145.200? I think the chances are pretty high, and that's the bias that I'm gonna go off of. So maybe put a stop above this candle, like around, let's say, like 10 pips. 10 pips, open sells and let it go. I mean, if it breaks this high, then this sell is no longer valid like that. See, that sell is no longer valid. So yeah, I mean, what can you do, man? This is GJ. after all that explanation, boom. Yeah, so I mean, this is a losing day here. Yeah, I'm going to classify this as a losing day. So trading time has ended. So we're going to move to the next trading day. So we had 2 wins, 1 losses, right? See this? Now trading day has ended. I mean, look, trading day has ended now. So we're going to move to the next one. And, oh, it's actually falling before Asian session. Interesting. Oh, it fell in Asian session. Nice. All right. Let's go to the next day. There we go. Rodolfo, stupid idiot. All right, 3 a.m., 3, 4, 5, 6. We are at 6 a.m. Eastern. We've taken 3 trades, 2 are wins, 1 is losses. Let's take a look at the daily. The daily is heading down clearly. We have a bearish trend on the daily time frame. And now what we got to do is we got to look at the 4-hour time frame here. And when we go look at the 4-hour time frame, what we see that the 4-hour is actually ranging right now. See this range? 4-hour is in a range, and this is a, let's see how big this range is. This is a 48 pip range. So in this range, this is going to be pretty hard to trade because I mean, we don't basically know what's going to happen, or like when is it really going to break out of this range. So what we got to do is we got to wait and we got to see what the 1 hour is doing. So now looking at the 1 hour time frame, we have a support forming right over here. And then if we look up, we have some sort of a resistance forming right up over here. But at the same time, what we see on the 1 hour time frame, that we have a candle that is bullish on the 1 hour time frame. So then you got to ask yourself that, okay, what's the probability for the next candle to continue going bullish, right? And I think the probability is going to be, let's take a look on the 30-minute here too. see what's going on here in the 30-minute time.